How to use Peacock offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on using Peacock offline. So to use Peacock offline, you must have a Premium Plus subscription and use the Peacock app to download content for viewing on mobile device. So open up your Peacock app and click on the profile initials and go to account section. Here you want to click on plans and payment and go to pick a plan. You get a premium subscription for it. And once you've got the premium, then what you need is you could go ahead and open up the home page of the Peacock app and locate any sort of content that you wish to download, and then you just want to scroll down and download the Peacock or download the content for offline, or you could just go ahead and watch it offline, and that's how you'll be able to use Peacock offline. So this is the simplest thing you could do in order to use Peacock offline. However, this feature is only available in the premium subscription. If you don't have a subscription, you will not be able to download or you'll not be able to use Peacock offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.